What do you do when you're asked, tell me about yourself, particularly in an interview setting? Well, here's how most people answer it.
Sure. Well, so I will tell you, big picture, when I think of what the role and the company needs, I see a great fit because, quite frankly, I am a growth leader.
Okay, so let's stop there. This is what I call the wind up. It took him about 15 seconds to make a point, and that point was that he was a growth leader, which isn't a very strong point to begin with. What happens in this wind up is you're kind of tap dancing and padding because you don't know exactly what you want to say. So you're kind of thinking on your feet, and people sense this, and it doesn't come across as the fact that you have clarity or confidence in who you are. So this is valuable time that you've essentially wasted. So instead, try this. If someone asks you that terrible question of like, just tell me about yourself, land one idea right away. Make a declaration. Say something like, I'm a scrappy marketer who loves working with underdog companies, or I reignite teams because they're out of gas, or I help people tell magnetic stories so they can attract the work they love. If you make a clear, definitive declaration, that first impression comes across with clarity and confidence, and that's what you want.